Howdy YouTube, this is AJS72 Ford 390 coming to you from Idaho. So I didn't get a video of completely disassembling the bottom rotating assembly out of my 2.9 Ranger motor, but I just got done spraying it off here. It's still pretty dirty, but it's going to be hot tanked and bored 30 over, so it's going to be about a 3 liter. Almost a 3 liter. I mean, it's already almost a 3 liter as it is a 2.9, but it's going to be even closer to that mark. So I'm going to bore it 30 over or 0.75 millimeter, and yeah, that'll clean up cylinder bores for me. You can see some minor rust pitting here in the cylinder bores, and that's in pretty much each one of them. It's still a little grimy. I pressure washed it. That stuff is on there pretty good. Took a lot of the stuff off. I mean, it was really kicked on there, but I got a good coating on there. But I'm glad I'm tearing it down and rebuilding it instead of just running the truck, because first off, it had no power, and second off, it had really bad fuel economy. And I mean, the pistons on the skirts were scored and whatnot too, so it needed it. So yeah, it's a good thing. All the bearings were showing a lot of signs of copper, which means the tin coating on them was worn off, and yeah, they had some touching a little bit. The crank looks good. I'm gonna have it polished. It's gonna cost me about 60 bucks here at my local machine shop, which, if you're wondering who that is, that's Boise Block and Head Shop on Cole and Victory. Yeah, Cole and Victory. But they're gonna bore this out for me. It's gonna be about 200 bucks to bore it, give or take. So I'll have them line hone it too, and yeah, they're just gonna clean it up, and then they're gonna check the big ends on the rods too. So anyway, that's a 2.9 block all by itself. It weighs almost as much as a 302 block because I carried it over here from my pony over there. So I'm gonna put it in my office here, and it's already dry pretty much. I just sprayed it down with a penetrant to keep it from rusting, flash rusting. So keep it looking nice. And I'm going to paint it the old Ford blue, not the really light blue, but the dark blue. Me and my wife decided on that color, kind of asked her opinion on that, so we're going to get that painted, and I'll paint everything according to that. So for now, I'll take a video of me taking it to the machine shop and the front of the machine shop and everything else too, so we'll see that later in this video. Got my engine block back from the machine shop. I didn't get a video really of me taking it there. But I ended up using a company called Northwest Motor and Machine. They do a lot of diesel and stuff like that. The last time you guys saw the engine block, it was pretty nasty. So this is what it looks like now. It was dang near brand new. They line honed it. You can see cross hatches in there, but yeah, they line honed it, and they drove them on the cam bearings out, and of course they hot tanked it, beat blast it, and then they bored it 30 over. Pull the plastic off of here. I'm just getting ready to paint it now, but yeah, they did a pretty dang good job on this thing here. So it's bored 30 over, so now it's a 2.98 liter, almost a 3 liter now. So yeah, I'll be painting it today. I'm painting it Ford blue, and yeah, should be pretty exciting. There's the crank right there, actually. But yeah, it looks really nice. So I just got to degrease it real quick, tape it up, and then go from there. So it should be good. Okay, so I got it painted. I had it all taped up and everything, and got it all painted up, and actually looks really nice. So that's pretty exciting. I already have all the parts, and well, most of the parts are coming in next week. So yeah, today's Saturday. They should be here Wednesday and Thursday. I got a copper ceramic clutch for it. I mean, yeah, it's a Ranger and everything, but put a good clutch in it, so that'll be good. It comes with a slave cylinder and everything. It was about $214 from eBay. And yeah, so there you go. Stay tuned for more progress on the Ranger. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.